Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Essay. My aim in life. Aim mean मकसद, goal. Life में मेरा मकसद. My aim in life is to become a doctor. It is a noble profession. Noble mean एक अजीम, अच्छा. In profession पेशा है. A doctor serves humanity. Humanity इंसानियत, serves खिदमत करना. डॉक्टर का पेशा इंसानियत की खिदमत. Only a doctor can understand the disease and treats it. Disease mean बीमारी को. A doctor always tries to keep his patients comfortable and relaxed. It is my dream to do something good for people around me. But becoming a doctor, I'll be able to help other people by curing their disease. I shall consider it my first duty to help the needy people. Consider समझूंगा. If I become a doctor, then the treatment for the poor people will be free. A doctor is equipped with comprehensive knowledge and devices that enable him to diagnose and treat his patients with accurate procedure. He prescribes medicine to alleviate our suffering. वो हमारी बीमारियों को दूर करने के लिए या उनसे निजात पाने के लिए हमें दवाइयाँ लिख कर देता है. प्रेस्क्राइब मीन तजवीज़ करता है, लिख कर देता है. I know becoming a doctor is not an easy task, but I have full and complete confidence in myself. लेकिन मुझे खुद पे पूरा भरोसा है, पूरा एतमाद है. I shall try work hard. मैं बहुत मेहनत करूँगी and try my best और अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूँगी to achieve my goal and aim. There is a famous saying, medicine cure diseases, but doctor can cure patients. Every person has different aims in his life. Someone wants to become a doctor, someone wants to become a teacher, someone wants to become social worker. So there are many and different professions and different aims in people's life who they want to become. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.